Hello friends, this is Gokul from GokulTech, and today we are going to see a very interesting topic which is helping us to move the data based on our multiple filter criteria and moving to the desired part without copying the data. How to do that? Let's discuss it briefly in this video. So here in this data is all about a sales of a grocery shop for the last 2 years. With this data, I'm going to find out the products or the category where bars which is having the quantity of sales more than 50. So to achieve that, normally what we will do, we will filter and then we will select the criteria one by one like this. So first I will go with category and I'll select bars. Then I'll go with quantity and I'll select whichever is more than greater than 50 by manually, right? So let's select it 50. So we have a lot. So this is a time consuming process. To stop or to avoid this error, what I'm going to do is, let's take the result of and output of this one, and we need 50 also. So this is my result, right? I'm copying it and I'm moving it over here in the results tab so that we will verify are we going to get the same result or not. So let's filter it out. Instead of doing this manual step, what we are doing is, there is an option called advanced filter. Go to results tab, click on advanced, and another location. You have to select copy to another location because we don't want anything to our raw data. We are moving into the results tab. So it will ask me to select the first one is a list range. My list range is in raw data, where I am going to give the complete value, right? Perfect. Now the second one is my criteria range. The criteria range I have to provide manually, right? So what I'm doing is, before starting the advanced filter, so our criteria is our in our raw data, our category should be bars and the quantity value should be greater than 50, right? So based on these two criteria, I have to filter the value and move it to the advanced results tab. So click on this data tab and advanced filter. Ensure that you are selecting copy to another location so that we will drag it from raw data and move it to the results tab. Else this particular option is enabled, that will filter our raw data, so that will affect to check the results. Click on the list range and go back to our data, select the headers and control shift down arrow, click on OK, and then criteria range. My criteria range is also in raw data tab. Go to raw data tab, select the criteria and then copy to, I am going to copy to from K2. Click on OK. So you can see the complete data, whichever we need to filter it based on the criteria, is moved here. Now we can verify it because we have already done this process manually, and we are going to check it whether the values we have received is the same as it is or not, right? So let's check with the total price. The total price value which we are getting is 7713.48. Let's check this value. Yes, we got the same result and the count is also 50 and we have the average of 154.2696. Yes, so it says that the data which filtering is accurate. Okay, is it the one which we are going to do? No, this is not the trick which we are going to achieve it. Then why this video? Very simple guys, this is taking the whole data from the table to here. Suppose in case we don't need the whole data, we need only few headers. How to achieve that? That can be done easily. Suppose I need to get only category, product. Let's consider from region to city. I want from date. Let's consider from date to city. I want the data for the same criteria. So now we have to take the date, region and the city only for our value. So how to achieve that? That is the hidden feature in advanced filter. So I'm just copying these headers and pasting it over here, and I'm trying to put the same formula which is advanced filter and copy to another location, go back to our sheet, go to raw data and continue the same process of selecting the raw data again. Click on the criteria range, raw data, and the very important point what we have to do is we have to select the headers where we have desired to get the output. Click on OK. Now we can able to see only the date, region and city where we have the filter applied for the category of bars, and the quantity is more than 50 we have achieved over here. So this simple step will allows you to find out only the desired columns from the whole table with a categorized value instead of manually selecting and copying and pasting it in the new sheet. Hope this function will help you in day-to-day life. If you are feeling this particular filter will help you a lot, please post your comments in our comment box. We are happy to receive your comments. And if you have any doubt in this particular video, please write to us. We are happy to assist you anytime. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you and have a great day.